Rose Buttercream Masterclass. Today, we are adding a burst of creativity to our carrot cupcakes. Get ready to learn how to pipe tri-color cream cheese buttercream that will take your cupcakes to the next level. Let's dive in. For the cream cheese buttercream, you will need 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 56 g unsalted butter, 113 g cream cheese. In a mixing bowl, combine your softened butter and cream cheese. Whip them up until smooth and creamy. Once creamy, gradually add in your powdered icing sugar, one at a time. This will give your buttercream that perfect sweetness. Split your buttercream into 3 bowls. Add orange food coloring to one and purple to the other. Here comes the fun part. Take a cling film and spoon in both colors side by side. One is original cream cheese buttercream and one is orange buttercream. Cut it off the tip and fill them inside the piping bag. Attach the Wilton tip to a piping bag filled with cream cheese frosting. This tip will help create the perfect rosette shape. Apply pressure to the piping bag and pipe a small amount of frosting. Continue piping in a circular motion, forming a rosette shape. Repeat this process on the remaining cupcakes, ensuring consistent pressure and movement. This will create a beautiful dual color effect with orange and yellow rosette color. For added visual appeal, let's switch to the Wilton tip 199. Hold the bag at a slight angle to the cupcake and pipe small stars around the base of the rosette. This adds depth and visual interest to our masterpiece. Repeat this process for each carrot cupcake. It's like creating a garden of edible art with every swirl and star. Continue piping until you cover the entire top of the cupcakes. There you have it, a perfectly piped rosette cream cheese frosting on your carrot cupcake. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't be afraid to give it a try and experiment with different techniques. Trust me, your cupcakes will look absolutely stunning. Start in the center and work your way outwards in the circular motions. As you pipe, move the bag in a clockwise motion, creating beautiful layers of frosting. To elevate the touch of elegance, consider garnishing with these beautiful sparkles. These little details can elevate the visual and crunchiness experience. And there you have it, gorgeous rosette cream cheese frosted carrot cupcakes adorned with sprinkles. I hope you enjoy mastering this piping technique. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share your beautifully piped creation with us in the comments below. Thanks again for watching. If you would like a carrot cupcake recipe, please check out my comment sections below. See you in the next video. Recap my cream cheese buttercream frosting for carrot cupcake. Check out my other recipe in YouTube channel. See you. Bye.